welcome back to Jessica Doing Things Differently. I'm so happy you guys clicked on this video. Today I have something a little bit different, but it's still in the realm of, getting things offline and websites and yada yada yada. It is Ipsy. You guys all know about Ipsy, I'm sure you do. If not, it is basically a website that you can pick different categories. Some have more, some have less, and it's a subscription that you subscribe to and you pay a certain fee monthly. I got this small package where I only pay $10 a month, and it is so useful. I tell you what, I get things I wouldn't even think to buy in a store, and that's for me what this is all about, getting things that you normally wouldn't get, testing them out. And then if you like them, you can either go on Ipsy and purchase them, or you can go somewhere else like eBay, Amazon, Walgreens, CVS, etc., and buy it because you used it and you liked it. It's all about trial and error, right? All right, so enough jibber jabber. Let's go right into this and see what we got this month. I am so excited, guys. I've been holding on to this for so long. I should have done this like, let's see, I think I got this like 2 weeks ago. I'm so excited to open this. All right, anytime I usually get mail, guys, like I literally, like I get the mail and I'm like opening the packages before I even get in the house. So to hold this for this long, you don't know what it's been doing to me. Okay, so in each month you get, I got something extra, which is odd. I never do, but I like it. So every time they send you a package, they send a cute little bag with it. They are always so adorable. And matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, because I have a couple with me right now, I'm gonna go ahead and show you other bags that they have sent me, so you can kind of, get an idea of what they look like. Okay, so I have this one, which is just, it has like the cute little design on the front, and on the back it's just plain. It's like a little, like a leather almost feeling. And then this cute, oh my, isn't this just darling? Look at that. All the lemons. This is so summery and so cute. The only thing I will say, I like this type of open up bag opposed to like the one that gives you like that little lip on the top, like this. I don't really like it. It's not as easy to get things in and out. However, spill wise, it's a little bit better. And then we have this heart bag, same thing on the back, and the little gold zipper. Little kisses. And this one has like a plastic zipper. This one sometimes does get caught. But I mean, they all come with your subscription, and then this guy. And they also all have little, on the zippers, they have like the little tags that say Ipsy on it. So that's nice. Anyways, again, look, I get sidetracked so quickly. But here's this one. I'm not sure if I already showed you, but here it is up close, and it has like the little tag. So let's see what we got. I want to say, before I get like too into this, I am no makeup guru. I don't know like, the whole put primer on your face, put like the spray on your face after you get all your makeup on so it stays longer, yada yada yada, like the highlighters and all that. Like I don't know the ins and outs of makeup too much. I just started using a beauty blender, and now I went back to my brush because I just like that better. I feel like it applies better, but I do like playing with it. Who doesn't? I mean, we're girls, or even guys sometimes, like you like to play with things and try things and see if they work. And if they do work, amazing. You have like a free sample size. And some of the samples actually are a little bit bigger than like sample sizes. So here's the first thing. It says, Trust Fun Beauty. I don't know what this, oh, here it is. This is nail polish, I think. Trust Fun Beauty fuses fashion-forward polish shades with non-toxic formulas. This eye-catching opaque color or polish is chip-resistant, so it'll survive your frolicking in the summer sun, sand, and surf. And this lilac pink shade is so flattering on every skin tone. Tip, swipe nail polish on the 3 stripes, starting on the left, then the right, and then the middle of your nail bed. Sweep brush across the tip of your nail to cap off the color. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'll be honest, I don't know if this is my shade, and I can't try it because I have, let me put it on here maybe. I mean, it's okay. It is like a lilac color, so, I mean, let me, there we go. So, I mean, it's a cute color. Like, I'll give it that. It's cute, but you know, certain colors for certain people, I don't know if I actually like this one, but I'll try it. And if I do, again, great. Then I found a new color that I wouldn't actually buy because just by looking at it, be like, yeah, that's not my color. But I could try it and be like, oh my gosh, I've been missing this my whole life. Well, I thought, yeah. But whatever. All right, moving on. See, like this. This is a sample size, but this is pretty big. So this is 12 benefits. This is Miracle Mist might be the only hair product you'll need. It seals color, smooths frizz, detangles, and protects hair from heat styling. If that weren't enough, it also helps strengthen and shine, repair split ends, shield your strands from chlorine, and prevent sun damage. Tip, spritz evenly throughout damp hair and comb through, blow dry, air dry, or style however you want. Hitting the beach or the pool? Miss some of this in before swimming to protect your strands. I should be a spokesmodel. So, I mean, that's cool. Again, something I wouldn't normally buy in the store because who thinks of that? Oh, I'm gonna go swimming, so I need my spritz. No, I don't. I don't do that. Instructions for use: mist hair before blow drying or swimming. Do not rinse. So, I mean, I'll test this, and you know what I'm going to do? Actually, I'll do an update video after trying all these products and tell you how everything worked, because that sounds like a good idea. What's next? I went on Ipsy, right? And I told them there was a few things I didn't like. And I went through like the whole list because it gives you like a list of what you do like, what you don't like. I told them I don't like clay masks, and why I don't like them is because they're just too hard to get off. You put them on and it's more of a chore, more of a hassle to do it, other than like it's like nice and relaxing, blah blah blah. Like for me, mud masks are not. So let's see what this is. This says, this brand believes that skincare has the potential to change your world, and they're not wrong. This mask is infused with energy clearing Palo Santo essential oil, mushrooms, lavender, and chamomile to help smooth and calm sensitive skin. Apply a thick layer onto clean, dry skin and let it sit for 10 minutes. Then rinse with warm water and pat dry. I don't know. I mean, let me see how this smells. Oh. Not used to this little protective guy getting things off of Wish and stuff. I see you, Wish. You reselling things. You know what it smells like? Has anybody ever been into like Whole Foods? It smells like you walked into Whole Foods. I'll be honest, I'm gonna put this with the rest of the mud masks that I don't use. All right, next one is Watermelon Burst Hydrating Primer. Let me do the little... The British beauty brand, Clité, or no, that's an I, Ciate, maybe? Don't know, is known for creative, unexpected products that encourage you to flaunt your unique beauty. To hydrate, refresh, and prep your skin for makeup, smooth on this watermelon extract infused primer. It'll boost your glow and help your makeup last longer. Tip, Dot pea-sized amount of this primer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin, and the watermelon infused blackheads will dissolve into your skin. Or black beads. Oh my gosh, I said blackheads. Oh, I was gonna die if that's really what it said. Like, you want my blackheads to just like infuse into my skin? No, I want them out. Let's read that again. Apply, no, wrong one. Dot pea-sized amount of this primer onto your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. The watermelon infused black beads will dissolve into your skin. Then blend it evenly all over. This better smell like watermelon. Oh, no little protective seal. That's okay. Ooh, this actually smells so good. Oh, I will say it's like a mixture of watermelon and a salon, like those two mixtures. But I really like that smell. I'm gonna put a little tiny bit. Well, I didn't get any of the little watermelon pieces. Oh, here we go. Okay. Oh my gosh, so much came out. Okay. So here's one of the little beads, right? It doesn't smush. Could you imagine putting on your makeup and having all those little beads all over your face? It smells really good though. I can't lie. Like, it smells really fabulous. I don't know where the bead went, but that would be underneath your makeup somewhere. All right. So it says the watermelon infused black beads will dissolve into your skin. Okay, well, let's move on. This one, oh, here it is. Yeah, it is. So this one must not adjust. It must not have been able to fit in the bag is what I'm thinking, because you usually get 5 products. And this is the 5th one. So this is Pacifica Bronze Rose. Rose and coconut infused blush and bronzer for your beautiful cheeks. Well, thank you, my beautiful cheeks. Oh, boy. Giving me compliments. I'll take them. I'll take them. I like compliments. But, never mind. Never mind. I'm about to cut myself, yeah? All right. Oh, cool. And it has a little mirror. Oh, that's awesome. So here it is. That's really nice. Let's see. So, oh my, it's still damp from that stuff. So here's the blotch test. I guess it's pretty dark, and that's not too shimmery, to where, I mean, if it were blended in better, I mean, yeah, that's a pretty nice color. I like that. They blend well on my hand anyways. That's really nice. Okay, let's see what this one says. Award-winning Pacifica is a brand that nurtures, sorry, the lighting is getting me. I can't do that. Award-winning Pacifica is a brand that nurtures a passion for natural beauty with vegan and cruelty-free products. This buildable blushes and bronzers made just for Ipsy will give you a sun-kissed look and a rosy sheen in seconds. Plus, the compact has a handy mirror on the back. Tip: blend the bronzer shade where your skin needs some warmth, like your temples, hollows of your cheeks. Apply brush in a swirling motion onto the apples of your cheeks. That one wasn't as fun to read. So, okay, we have these things. They're pretty nice. I think that I will enjoy using the majority of them. And again, like I said, the beauty of Ipsy is that, and by the way, obviously this isn't sponsored or anything. I'm just kind of opening my stuff, giving you guys my opinion. And I really think that Ipsy is a very good company to go to. It's not too expensive. It is affordable. It's always on time. It has cute bags that it goes into, so that's a plus. And then it gives you things that maybe you wouldn't normally try, and I just think that that is awesome. I'm all about that. I've considered canceling my subscription a few times only because I get things like this. Not a fan of the mud masks, Ipsy, and I told you that. I've done my little things, my little, what are they called? My little survey things that tell you what I like and what I don't like, and I don't like the mud masks. But I said I'll give Ipsy another month or two and see if they continuously send me mud masks, because I feel like they don't really listen to what you do and don't like. But you know what? I'm gonna give it another couple months and see how I like it. I mean, maybe I should start using the mud masks. Maybe they won't all be so hard to get off. Maybe I'm being mean about the mud masks. Maybe I should give these little guys a chance. Maybe I will. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I appreciate every comment, every like, and every subscription that I do get, and I hope to continue to grow. And I mean, until next time, bye.